Today, we are looking into factors affecting climate and weather. Latitude, tropical latitude, where the sun's altitude is always high, have hotter temperature than lower latitudes where the sun altitude is generally low. These differences in temperature relation to different latitudes affect climate. Altitude, it refers to the height of a place above the sea level. As one moves higher into the atmosphere, the temperature decreases by 6.5 oC for every 1,000 meters of ascent. This is called normal lapse rate. Continentally, or distance from the sea, generally, the further the inland is from the sea, and the less rainfall. Lower temperature ranges exist along the coast than inland. Higher humidity also occurs along the coast than further inland generally. There is also thicker cloud cover along the coast inland. Ocean current, it can affect climate of adjacent coastland. For instance, cold current lowers the temperature of adjacent coastlands. Cold current helps in the formation of fogs along the coast and also results in the formation of coastal desert. Warm currents raise temperature of the adjacent coastlands. Planetary winds and pressure belts, wind can affect the climate of adjacent coastland. For example, warm winds raise the temperature of adjacent coastlands. Cold winds lower the temperature of the adjacent coastland. Warm moist winds from the ocean bring rainfall to the adjacent coastland. Dry winds from the interior do not produce rain, rather produce dust and dryness. Slope and aspect, steep slope experience more rapid change in temperature than a gentle slope. Cloud cover, cloud reduces the amount of solar radiation reaching the Earth's surface and the amount of solar radiation escaping from the Earth's surface into space. Day temperature in the equatorial region is always high because of the heavy cloud cover. Natural vegetation and soil, the thick foliage leaves of heavy forest cuts off much of the incoming sunlight energy insulation. Light soil reflects more heat than darker soils, which are better absorbers of heat.